All right. Good day. And so a quick one on update of the psychological level that many of us could not plot, or if yours is not showing very well. So you just let me have your username, and then so that you can get. But this is the first one, and it's still working well on my own system. And so if yours is not yet working well, maybe it's not giving you the view you wanted. So I'm going to go over here, and I will disable it like this. Now, version 2. And so version 2, so this is a 5-minute time frame or 1 minute time frame. Remember that you always need to expand it. Okay, so version 2. So let's go to version 2. So go to your indicator, then go to invite only, and then you're going to see PBS pips level. So you click to add it. Okay, PBS pips level, you add it. So you probably don't see anything. So I'm going to do what I wouldn't do. So it's going to dotted. So you go to settings. So you click on it, go to the settings, and then so on this, the script. I sent the script. I added the script on the file you have before, which is the Microsoft Word you have before. So here you're going to just turn it to 10 because it's what are we looking for? Is 100 pips we're looking for. So you can, the good side of this is that you can use this one for all, so that Bitcoin currencies, you can adjust to the number of pips you want. Okay, so it's 10. So if you want to turn it to 50 pips, you just type 5. Okay, so you have it clustered. So 10 is the standard you're putting. Okay, then the color of this, you can take the opacity to 100 and you probably want to change it to black. Simple, that's all. Okay, so I think it's very simplified, right? So that's what it is. So here you can change this dotted to solid. Okay, so that you can see it more better in an easy fashion. So turn it to solid. All right, and so you are good to go. So black, solid, 10, style, just leave everything the way it is. Okay, then that's all. So click on OK, and then you are okay. Indeed, you're okay. Okay, so that's it. So that's your pips level. So pips level. So if you go to 3 minutes, so even if you go to 30 minutes, you're going to have it in that way. Okay, I hope it makes sense. You do. Okay, so thank you very much. So very simple on how to go about that. Okay, so your 15 minutes. So you already know between here to here is 100 pips. Okay, so go to 5 minutes, go to 3 minutes. So 3 minutes, you can see. So you see the same thing. If I bring out the other one, the only thing you can change the color easily. All right. So because this one's already on black. Okay, you can change the color to maybe if what you are looking for is not coming out properly. So you can still go there and then change the color, go to settings, and then look at the color. So probably want to make it red, but I don't want anything red. That was too shouting for me. All right. So you want to turn it to red, or you want to turn it to blue. Which one would you prefer? So maybe blue is good. Okay. If it's blue, this blue. This is like purple. So blue, look at blue. So it's blue good. I think blue is good, right? If it's purple you want, you can put it to purple. All right. So you have it in purple. You have it in blue. You have it in any color of your choice. Okay. All right. So this is blue. This is another color entirely. This is green. Okay. So blue, then you're good to go. Okay. All right. So I think this solved the problem. All right. So these have taken care of the problem. Okay. So go to 1 minute, same thing, just to expand, and then you are okay. Does that make sense? So the color of your choice, you can put it to, and then you already have the level in that order so that you know your entry point with your pivot point. So entry point, your exit point as much as possible. Does that make sense? Yeah, I think it does. Okay. So now you have this, you want to go into your phone. So your app on your phone. So now, okay, another thing that I quickly want to show you is, of course, I told you about alert on your PBX sniper calls. So how do I set alerts? So I predominantly tell people to set alerts more on their 5-minute time frame. Okay. So what you do, you go to alerts. Okay. And then when you go to alert, so you set your alert, go to price and select what? You select PBS call. That's what you want to use in selecting your alert. Okay. Any call, 5-minute time frame, and all of that. So expiration. Okay. So you can put any expiration you like. So this one put a match. Okay. Second is just there. Okay. Then what do you want to do again? That's all. There's not much work to do, but you probably want to label it. So it's a condition. That's the thing we put there. Okay. That's this put there. So on gold. Okay. On gold. Watch list. What you have in your watch list is much. If you say watch list, that means you want to be trading too randomly. To be giving you all the things in your watch list. But I don't want that. So if you want to just say watch list, so everything you have in your watch list. Okay. So, but we want to be specific on gold, right? So if it's all the instrument you have in your watch list, you can be giving you a lot. So that next you want to do, go to message. So message, you can clean up this and give it a name. Okay. So I can give it a name. So say, all right, can give it a name. Okay, say buy and sell. Okay, buy and sell gold. Okay, notification. You come over here, look at it, notifying app. Okay, you can enable that. So toast notification. So say display on-site notification in the page corner. So like you are trading, you are using whatever you want to have it display by your corner. That's another thing. Right. So, but I don't do that. So come put email. So you click on email. So that your email attached to your trading view, you're going to be alerted. Okay. So forget about this, just this and this. Sampling said that I put another email. So you may not be able to do all of this operation like multiples. Okay, so especially you are having a free account. So this is a premium account, so you can do multiple things and all of that. So what do? You go ahead and click what? Create. So your alert is created. So it will always give you alerts. If I show you alerts, so let me show you alerts. That, all right, look at alerts, alert, see alert. Okay, even as at 7:55 a.m. this morning, and then we are 8:30 now. Can you see alert? Your gold alert was triggered. All right. PBX buy signal generated. So that means it says you should buy. So others, buy signal generated, sell signal generated, sell signal generated, buy signal generated, buy signal generated, sell signal generated, sell signal generated in that order. So you're going to be receiving alert once it gives all of this. Okay, so make a lot of sense, right? So good and fine. So now the next probably you want to do is, like I told you, maybe you want to download your TradingView. So on your phone, you want to be working on your phone. So let's quickly do that and show you how you download TradingView app on your phone. Okay, let's show you how to download TradingView app on your phone. Okay, okay, let's show you how to TradingView app on your phone. Okay. I'll share with you now. Share screen. Okay, just a moment. So it's very simple, okay? Phone Tradingview app. Okay, share screen. All right, so let's go to Play Store. All right, so go to Play Store and search for what? Tradingview. So yours, we have to ask you to download. Mine had been downloaded, and that's why you can see open. But yours, we ask you to install. So once you finish installing, it's very simple. Then what you do? So you open. Now in opening, you log in without your email. Okay. You log in without your email. Okay. So you log in without your email. And so why mine is like this? Because I already have it logged into. So you need to log into your email. So you can see now on your mobile phone. So you can come in and then, so maybe while you're on your trading view, you can always be seeing your entry and exit. So we're going to change time frame to 1 minute. So you have everything there. So look at your chart. So you can squeeze it. So look at the sell alert here on the 1 minute. See the sell movement is still going. Massive. Holy God. Come on, look at the buy. Look at the sell. So imagine just ask you to buy not long ago. This is 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, if care is not taken, that should be that time he asked us to buy. Okay, very possible. Look at, think about that. Then look at the sell. So this sell now, if you sold, because you're going to sell at the maybe confirmation of this engulfing candle. So that means you will sell here. So this is 100, 200. This is 100, 200. So look at what I'm calculating here so that you will not misunderstand. This is 100, this is 200, this is 300, this is 400, and 500 pips. 500 pips, ladies and gentlemen. 500 pips. Because you enter, you're going to put your stop loss over here and then your TP1. So we always tell you that instead of opening one position, open 5, 10 position, depending on how much is your money. If your money is too small, use 0.01 and open to up to 10. That is 0.1. So if your money is reasonable, maybe $50, $100, you can open 0.05 up to 10. Yeah. So all together, especially when you look at your stop loss, you see what is the volume of your stop loss. So you can just do that and then allow it to be. Now, another buying opportunity is getting set up here. Look at it. It's already getting set up here. So once this is confirmed now, you're going to see your signal give. So, and then you wait, take your money and trade as much as possible. This is the very fantastic thing. So once you get your signal, that point, you are going to your MT5. So let's go to MT5. All right, you already know how to download MT5. The same way, if you have not downloaded MT5 before, maybe some of our people who are beginners, so you're going to go to Play Store and type MT5. Okay, type MT5. You click and open, install. So I open now. So this is an MT5. So of course, this is our what do we call it? This is our instrument, not effect, not currency, but volatility. So assuming I want to trade here, for instance, okay, to trade currency, okay. So let's look for gold. For instance, though this account is it's a funded account, okay. So look at the gold now. Okay, this is 4 hours. Okay, so that shows that gold is still bearish. Okay, see now, gold is what? Massively bearish. This 4 hour time frame. It has been selling since yesterday. And you can see how massive it is. But you have been buying and selling, buying and selling. Okay. So if you go to lower time frame, because if you look at it now, gold probably coming to settle down in this order flow. So that's what it is. Okay. All right. So now let's go to 1 hour, see that the selling pressure still continue, massive, right? Then you go to 30 minutes, the selling pressure is still in, but I see we're going to have some level of pullback. 15 minutes, the selling pressure is still on, okay? Then you have 5 minutes, okay? The 5 minutes try to recover, but no way. Then you go to 1 minute. You can see in 1 minute, if you go to your scanner now, 1 minute, I told you that it's already getting set for another buy, and it has happened. So let's go to the scanner and check. Are you see, ladies and gentlemen? So though your scanner didn't give you, because this may not buy long, but so because of what we have taught, okay, so it's now where your scanner come out because of this, but because of what you were taught about the power of three. So perhaps even if you do not enter here, I will enter here. I could be stopped out. So, but you are entering here, then the third candle is confirmed. But if you look at it, that means your stop loss is going to be here. Okay, that's going to be too big. So that's why I enter as fast as possible. So I already told you that about another buy opportunity was setting up and all of that. Okay, so that's what it is. So if we go to 5 minute back, okay, you can see this market will still come down and give you another buy opportunity. Watch and see. It's still going to come down and give you another what? Buy opportunity. Yes, it will give you another buy opportunity. So look at 3 minutes, I think. Is it 3 minutes? Yeah, this is 3 minutes. All right. So 3 minutes to is confirming the buy and all of that. So, ladies and gentlemen, but the market is more bearish than bullish. So, but the most important thing is that you are getting entry and exit confirmation for your trade. So that is it. That's what it is. So please pay attention, learn as much as you can so that you apply the tool appropriately. Okay? Thank you very much. And like I've told you, it is a simple thing to do, but you have to pay attention to basic information. Okay? So once your trade is coming up, you need to identify where am I entering from and where am I exiting from. Can you see that? All right. So this is a 5 minute time frame. If we go to 3 minute time frame. So 3 minute time frame. All right. So 3 minute time frame will take much of my time. So 1 minute will have given you what you wanted. Can you see that? 1 minute will have given you what? What you wanted. So I'd say conservative trader wouldn't enter at my own entry point. Conservative trader will enter at the close of this. So when they enter at the close of this, so they can put their stop loss below this line. So, but this is very wide. So for me, that will have entered here. Now listen, this is no matter of risk reward ratio turn. You only protect your account, okay, against the movement. So you understand that you only protect your account. The rules stand. The rules stand. And what's the rule? Catching 50, 100 pips. So imagine, so if you enter from that point, right? So already here, so let's say this psychological level is already 63. So that means you are taking your first take profit. The next one, so 120, you are taking another one. The next one, 160, you have taken another one. The next one, so 210 or 220, you have taken another one. So you have taken about 3 take profit already, why even the whole thing is not yet 1:2 risk reward. It's not even, see, this is 1:2, 1:1 risk reward, but you have book profit and all of that. So yours is catching the profit as much as possible, all right? Except otherwise when the market is well set. So, but this is a downtrend market, okay? So you can see the strength of going down will be faster and higher than the strength of staying up, okay? So that's what it is, but I think we're getting to the bottom gradually for a massive bounce for the market. So if you look at it now, you can see this sell. This sell since 6 a.m. And then you can see it now form a structure. Sell to form a structure. So this is a sell. Then we'll have a low here. So we created a low here, actually. Here. and then broke it, return, and that's the sell continue since. We're having another breakout structure here, something, and then continue to sell. So you have more of downtrend move. Okay, another downtrend is moving now. So because the trend of the market is down, like I've said earlier, so you have to understand when you look at the trend of the market, you decide and work based on the trend of the market as much as possible. Does that make sense? All right. So thank you very much. So pay attention, use the tool very well, and let's make money as much as we can. Do have a nice time, and bye for now.